My intuition is telling me there'll be better days.
What's up, Glamazons? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining us, where the hell have you been? Like, seriously. Just kidding. Welcome. My name is Natalie and this is my channel, Music to Makeup. So today's video is going to be my monthly giveaway for you guys because I love you so much. I hope you guys know that. So, I mean, yeah, that's kind of self-explanatory. I'm going to be giving away some free stuff. So if you're interested in seeing what the prizes are and hearing about how you could win this big box of makeup, then keep on watching. And if you do like this video, please let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe because you're going to need to be subscribed in order to be entered into this wonderful giveaway. Okay, so I'm just gonna point out some of like the main rules. You must be subscribed to my channel. You must be 18 years or older or have your parents' permission. This is a US only giveaway. I'm not rolling in the dough. I can't afford international shipping right now. I apologize. And you need to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is natrosemusictomakeup, and like any one of my pictures and tag a friend. And leave a comment below. Let me think of something. Since Halloween is coming up, either let me know what you're going to be for Halloween this year, or what was your absolute favorite Halloween costume you ever wore. Alright, so all of the rest of the rules and regulations will be in the description box below. So let's just get into the good stuff, the prizes. First we have this Goldfadden MD Brightening Elixir. Protect and Repair Brightening Serum. Alright. Then we have this Persona Lip Gloss in Honey. Let me show you what it looks like. We have this, I don't know how you say it, KYSITE ice roller. So this, it can drain your lymph nodes. You can use it to apply your favorite moisturizer. You can keep it in the freezer. Okay, so next is this PUREHEALS CENTULLA 80 Eye Cream. This is 1.01 ounces. We have another eye cream. This is the Pharmacy Cheer Up Brightening Vitamin C Eye Cream. I have been using this. It is the bomb, and it really does brighten. Alright, next we have this Murad Perfecting Day Cream Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So this is a lightweight anti-aging moisturizer with powerful antioxidants that hydrates and conditions skin with essential fatty acids. This Pure Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. It does have a nice mirror in it. And here's what it looks like. Then we have this set from I don't know if it's 111 or 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Masks. So there are 5 of them in here, and it diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 24 karat gold enhances skin radiance to brighten an even skin tone, reinforces and protects skin barrier function, and rejuvenates and nourishes lackluster skin. So this actually retails for like, it was like $120 for these 5 masks. So next we have this I Heart Revolution Marble Rose Gold palette. I love this packaging. Beautiful. And to apply these eyeshadows, we have this the Complexion Authority brush set with travel container. So it has all of these brushes inside. Oops. Okay, next is this Fenty Beauty Kilowatt Freestyle Highlighter Duo in Ginger Binge and Moscow Mule. I do want to give a little disclaimer that I did swatch this, so if that is something that bothers you and you win, just let me know and I can take it out, but I have not used it. Really pretty. Next we have this Marc Jacobs Enamored High Shine Lip Gloss in Changes. I love this lip gloss formula so much. It's definitely in my top 3 favorites. Okay, and then we have this Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. And then, of course, it wouldn't be a giveaway of mine without including my handmade soap and makeup brush cleaner. So I'm actually including 2. This is the first one, and the scent is Black Cherry. And then, I'm obsessed with Hello Kitty, if you guys couldn't tell, and I got a Hello Kitty mold, so how adorable is that? Alright guys, so those are the prizes, and yeah, don't forget to subscribe and comment down below for a chance to win all this good stuff. Alright, I love you guys, I appreciate your support, and I will see you next time. Bye.